विद द राइज ऑफ एआई एंड ऑटोमेशन, ये कैसे शेप कर रहा है आगे आपके इस इंडस्ट्री को जिसमें आप वर्क?
I'll be honest that I mean, real estate industry is still in the exploration stage that how it's going to impact. But yes, there are very visible things that we can foresee in front of us. That a lot of this layout industry, very typical job, which is, it's not really. I mean, you don't require a human to do it; a machine can do it. The machine can study a number of layouts in the world. Construction has been happening for hundreds of years across the world. Can it be done by AI? Oh, totally yes. It can be. Keeping various different parameters in mind. Indian law can be fed into the system very well. So, are these design and the layout jobs? I don't know what's the future of that, but yes, definitely it is at risk. AI can also help you manage the facility better. It is definitely going to make us all, our cost will get optimized. We see that the entire industry will benefit out of it. It is going to get faster from the construction to planning. Everything, the time will shorten up because a lot of things that happens manually today or in the computer, architects are doing it. All of those jobs are replicable. I see the architect consultant's job more like doctors, but all of those symptoms that you're talking about or all of those problems on ground that you face, during the construction phase are all has been done in the world a number of times. Yeah.
Right.
AI can definitely replace all of that and could really help reduce that burden for the customers or for the end user. For the professional who's currently in it, he may have to bring himself, up the curve. What one thing that AI cannot do is, the feel, emotion, feel, the how you handle.
Even the gut feeling and all.
Correct.
वो जो human element है बस वो नहीं कर सकता. Whatever can be fed to data as a data,
Yeah,
AI can do
AI
that.
can do it.
And perfectly they can do
Yeah.
it.
So I think by force, people will have to become people oriented. Otherwise, they'll be out of jobs. They need to know how to handle people, how to respect people, how to care for them, and how to deal with them, because that's something that AI cannot do.